What up, guys? Back with another video. Stopping by my boy's shop to put on the Tomei exhaust for the Skyline. So doing the full front pipe, titanium full rear section. So pretty much turbo almost all the way back is going to be a full titanium exhaust. Minus the turbo outlets. Those are still going to be factory stock for now until later in the future. So yeah, check them out. Collective group. Car is bone stock as shit. So yeah, this should really open it up, and then eventually going to do HKS intercooler setup, and then a bigger radiator, make things cooler, and then a blow off valve and intakes, and that should put the GTR at a pretty good level, and then eventually do turbos and stuff. But anyways, we'll see what it sounds like after it's done. Let's hear this. All right, so I did the rear exhaust, the full Tomei exhaust, but I wasn't able to do the front pipe because the Tomei front pipe was missing a piece. So that we will do tomorrow, and I'm also doing my wheels tomorrow, the T37. So as of right now, that's kind of the setup. Just getting some gas right now, but yeah, new wheels are going to go on tomorrow. It's going to look fire. T37 is 18 by 10.5 plus 15 all around, so it should look pretty good. But man, that new exhaust looks so sick. A little smoky right now. It's funny. So put the exhaust on now. I'm meeting up with some friends. My buddy wants to take some pictures of this dude's GT2 RS. It's like this crazy neochrome type of color. So we're gonna go cruise. Other buddy ran into, also lives in the same spot. So he's coming with his STO, other buddy with the GT3, and then the crazy GT2 RS, and then me in the Skyline. But yeah, we're gonna go take some pictures. Not in my car yet. Might snap some for fun. I'm putting on the new T37s tomorrow, and then after that we should be good to go. But yeah, about to go for a little drive here with some friends. Pretty spontaneous. Here's the crazy, I don't even know what the color is called. I'll have to ask my friend again. Zach, what's the color called again?
Explosive gold.
Oh, okay. Jesus Christ. Doesn't even look.
That's the problem. Is like what you're seeing on your phone is not what we see. Spend a GT3 on paint.
Yeah.
When we come back.
Oh my god. Such a random lineup. Bayside Blue is just crazy. Cruising with the homies. It's hard to film and drive manual. Skyline L GT3 Evo, or not Evo, STO. Why did I say Evo? My friend has Evo. Gonna do a pictures of this GT2 RS here. Zach's found a spot, I guess in this corner somewhere. Perfect night. Man, this color is nuts. R34 creeping in the corner.
Captain's got me free gas sponsored by Taco Bell.
Sponsored by Taco Bell would be funny. Should be.
If you don't do it, I'm gonna do it.
You should. Wes's GT3 is so fire. Honestly though, there's nothing like a Lambo. STO looks so good. This thing literally looks like a fighter jet. Oh, nothing like a Lambo. What a beautiful car. I think Justin's got the buckets in here too. Yup. Damn, this is lit. The JDM got left behind. Color's nutty. Man, the sun hits this thing is so nuts. The taillights on this are advanced. STO creeping. Creeping. Anyways, guys, done with the vlog. Went for a little drive. Tired. Everything's been busy. Work's been busy. Life's been busy. Everything. But yeah. Anyways, nice night. But yeah. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow I should have my downpipe on my car, and I should have my T37s on, and maybe I'll make a separate video for that probably. So anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.